Builders and installers who build above code homes, they align with the Owens Corning thinking. Everything that we do has to meet a very high benchmark. Any product that we put out into the market, goes through several layers of verification internally before we can actually start selling it. Many of the other programs that are in the market right now, they're very costly. They have a lot more administrative burden to them, and we're looking to fill that gap in the middle to where a builder wants to have something that's credible. They want it to be done by a brand that has recognition like Owens Corning does.
It really boils down to just common sense and being straightforward with people. We saw the value in it, and the value helps us differentiate ourselves from the customers, and we saw the value for our builders to be able to differentiate themselves from their competitors by saying, here's another classification, certification that we have that proves that our houses are built at least 5 to 10% above code, where most other builders kind of live. And so it's just a natural, common sense thing.
A high performance home means you should be on the cutting edge of energy efficiency rather than just what is being required by the government. That's where this new certification, the nice thing is that the things that are found in the certificate are things that we already do, but it's nice to be able to look at that and say, oh yeah, here's someone that can actually certify it and say, look at what these guys are doing. This is why it's helpful.
Well, I look for in subcontractors and suppliers and guys that I think really care about their product and really care about my product. And Derek from LP is one of those kind of guys. And if there's something new that comes out there that he thinks makes sense, he runs it past me, and we usually do it. And so I know he's going to get the best product he can get too, because he cares. And I think that's why he goes Owens Corning. They've been around forever. They've got a great reputation. It just makes sense.